Hello guys, and right now you're looking at 4 of my 5 Stirling engines. So technically I've got it's 3 Stirling engines. This here is a thermo-acoustic engine, which has never been able to get running in its life. You saw me repair this guy a few weeks ago. This guy ran once, haven't been able to run since. Now this one here, it turns but falls apart like that. So I'm going to repair this one today. So got a square kitchen roll right here. Okay, you can sit there, I can sit there. Move this along. We're going to repair him today. So, to repair this Stirling engine, we first have to obviously see what the problem is. Now, I can right away tell what the problem is. The rod isn't properly in the piston, so we have to sort that out. So what we're going to do, I've got my screwdrivers here. We are going to have to take it apart. So this one should work. Yep, it's working. So what we do, you've got these metal bars here. If you unscrew these, get these rods, and that's the first one out already. Then we do the rest of them, and then the whole thing should come apart. Let's time lapse this. That's the last of the bolts. The engine is now apart. Now some of the bolts were really hard to get out because they were rusted through like mad. I've got all the engine apart now. So you see here, this is the main assembly. So what we've got here, this is the piston. You see, it's literally just like, it's not, it's what you call a displacer. It's like, it's foam, literally made out of foam. So what I do is get the piston in the bottom position, and you've got to just push it on until it gets in place like that. So that's good. So that should be like that, and then simply put that like that until it's got seal, and then you find the right position like that, and then start putting the bolts back on, which I'll do off camera because it is fiddly. See how I've already done these bolts here. Only got 1, 2, 3 bolts left, and then I'll be done, and then we'll test the engine to see if she runs. But already, that's looking a lot better. Here it is, the finished engine. So now I'm going to get the kettle on and see if we can get this thing running. I'm just running the hot water tap because I like to put hot water in the kettle because it's just quicker. I'm using a thermo, a flask, good for keeping the heat and making it hot. So the water takes ages to heat up in this house. We've got the kettle here, fill it up, see if she'll run. So keep tuned. It's quite hot now, so I'm just gonna grab the kettle, give it to the old water, get it nice and cool, cotton, then fill it up to max so we can make a cup of tea later as well. That's enough. Put it on stand. I let it boil in 3, 2, 1. Let's let it boil. Here we go. She'll be running in no time. Let's get it boiling. Kettle's boiling. I thought I'd tell you that I've actually got 2 of those engines. Both broken. Well, one isn't broken now because I've just fixed it, hopefully. The other one is. I'll fix that in another video. I'll leave a link in the description to buy one. They're about £20, £30-ish. They're actually, when they work, they're really good. So you should definitely get one. Well, as long as they work. So yeah, if you want me to keep on looking at Stirling engines, do let me know. And we'll see how this goes. So, kit will be done soon. So, let's get ready. So here we are, we've got the flask of hot water. I'm going to get ready to put the engine on it. So, it's really warm now. Moment of truth. Have I succeeded in repairing this engine? We'll find out in a few minutes. let it warm up for a few minutes and just give it a turn. And it should set into motion anytime now. So guys, it's been a minute. Here we go. Oh. It's going. It's running, it's fantastic. So he's still running. It's been about 10 minutes since he started, and he's still going. I think it was either this one or the other one I got. It once ran for 2 hours straight. Well, to be fair, it was sat in front of a fireplace as well, so that probably helped it out. But these little engines, they can actually run forever. Just constantly. I know this guy, so this guy on YouTube, who put his, you know, funny enough, these can run on ice as well, so you put this on ice, it'll go this way. But on hot air, it'll go this way, so if we just put it there, see, stopped, give it a little nudge. You get to out there, the hot air will start pushing it. Okay, and then as soon as it goes over here, it's off. It's a brilliant little engine, this. See, on YouTube, there's this guy who got his, put it on a load of cold coins and sealed it in a bottle, and put it in a fish tank, and the coldness of the fish tank and the coins kept it running, and it's run for ages now. So if I have a bit of a wobble on it, you can see it moving slightly. It's running well.